picture for Gretchen. She's like, email me right away.
Okay, make a big circle. That a girl.
Oh, that is so funny.
Oh.
Yep, scooping.
Good job.
Oh, you guys look really cute.
They do.
You kind of match.
Yeah, remember when you walk in the store, you're gonna make a big circle so that you're coming out towards the front. So walk in all the way to the back and make a big circle so you're back at the door. There you go.
Okay, Katie, let me take a pic for Aunt Gretchen. Here, you stay there, Spence. Can you put your, okay, wait, hang on.
That was sweet boy Goldie went down with her, with her neck down.
Big smile, Katie, look at Mama. Let me do one more.